Hi there, my name is Jason Perkins and I'm a Georgia workers' compensation attorney. I'd like to welcome you to another edition in my workers' compensation video series where I discuss and provide helpful information about the rules and benefits of Georgia's workers' compensation law. Today, I want to discuss with you whether Georgia workers' compensation covers carpal tunnel syndrome and carpal tunnel release surgery. But before we get into that, I'd like to ask you to be on the lookout for my upcoming video in the series about how to get workers' compensation to pay for an MRI. Now, let's talk about carpal tunnel syndrome. Carpal tunnel syndrome is a medical condition that affects your wrist and specifically generally causes nerve compression in your wrist. Now, I'm not a doctor, but I represent a lot of people who have carpal tunnel syndrome, and it causes you to have pain and numbness into your wrist and your hands, sometimes into your arms as well. Now, the question is whether Georgia workers' compensation law covers this condition. In other words, if you develop carpal tunnel syndrome as a result of your job, can you get payment for medical treatment and lost wage benefits under workers' compensation law in Georgia? Yes, you can. Carpal tunnel syndrome a lot of times is a condition that's developed as a result of repetitive type work over some period of time. It's not often a condition that results from traumatic injury, although sometimes it does. Most of the people I represent who have carpal tunnel syndrome have developed it as a result of doing repetitive work over months or years. And eventually they have developed compression in their wrist on a nerve, and that's causing them to have the carpal tunnel syndrome symptoms. So that condition, like many other cumulative trauma conditions, can be compensable under Georgia's workers' compensation law. And if your carpal tunnel syndrome is work-related, then the insurance company will be responsible for paying for the medical treatment you need for it, including surgery, and benefits that you have to miss from work as a result of it. Also, if you end up with a permanent partial disability rating, they'll have to pay you some benefits for that as well. Now, just because it is covered by Georgia workers' compensation law, it doesn't mean that the insurance company is automatically going to accept it in your case. Many times, insurance companies dispute whether carpal tunnel syndrome is work-related or not. They may argue that they don't think it was caused by the activity that you did as your job. They may claim that you didn't work there long enough to develop carpal tunnel syndrome, or that the job really wasn't that repetitive. And so there can be a fight about it. The insurance company may agree to provide benefits, but they may controvert or deny your claim. If they do controvert or deny your claim, you may need to look into requesting a hearing in order to get the benefits that you need. If you're going to consider requesting a hearing, I'd certainly recommend that you talk to a workers' compensation attorney before moving forward with that. Now, I hope you found the information in this video helpful today. If you have, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up or by liking it. Also, if you want more information about Georgia workers' compensation, please take a look at our Perkins Studdard Workers' Compensation page on YouTube. You can find all the videos from our workers' compensation video series there, and hopefully you'll find them helpful. If you would like to set up a free consultation with me, I'd be happy to do that. It's one of the best ways to get specific questions about your case answered. Setting one up is easy. You can do so by calling me at the phone number that's on the bottom of the screen now, or by visiting our webpage, www.perkinslawtalk.com, and completing and submitting the form there. Thanks again for watching today, and I wish you the best of luck as you recover from your injury.